Hello, right. Today we're going to do something very simple, but a lot of you probably are not 100% sure how to use or do this because everyone always trying to sell you these special cleaners, this, that, and the other. All you need, blue roll, one wet, one dry. Just water on there, nothing else. Trusty old blue roll. The chemicals, I'd probably say stay away from as many chemicals as you can because these screens do not have protective glass over them anymore. Back in the days, yeah, you used to be able to use glass cleaner and stuff on plasmas and stuff because they used to have a film of glass in front of them before the panel, but these are direct panel now. So all you do, it's very, very easy. Make sure the TV is turned off. It's got quite a bit of dust on it. It's pretty clean though. You just start wiping an area, just a small area. You might need to hold your telly, a bit wobbly. Don't let it dry on the telly. Not sure if you can see it, it's sort of beading a little bit. And then you just wipe it dry. And it should be completely smear free unless you put some kind of chemical on it. As soon as you put chemical on it, it's really, really hard to get it off. You are probably going to need to use some kind of glass cleaner. You need to be quite light. You don't need, if there are any stubborn marks, that is a little dot there. I'm not sure what that is, but there we go. Rubbed it a little bit harder. It's gone now. Well, almost gone, but it's not going to affect the picture. Right, so you just continue that all over, all the way to the top. It depends if it's a warm or a cool day. It's quite cool at the moment, so it doesn't dry as quick, which is good because it gives you a bit of time to get it off before it dries in, because it's a pain. You get watermarks on your screen then, and then you have to do it all over again. So literally you just sort of dry it just like that. You might not be able to see it, sort of smears across, but then it sort of evaporates. And if you look down the TV at an angle like that, this is why you have it off, and to stop the static pulling everything back on the telly, you can see if there are any marks that you've missed. So I'm doing a bit of a bigger area here because it's quite a big TV. Right. There we go. That's looking absolutely gorgeous at the moment. This doesn't just go for sky glass. This is literally any flat screen TV, literally any TV, anything with a screen. This is how the manufacturer wants you to clean their panel. They don't want you to use any kind of chemicals. In some cases, you would invalidate your warranty by using chemicals on the panel. So if you do this, you're absolutely fine. See, no marks in it at all, no dust. I'm literally just cleaning the dust off of this screen because it's pretty much a brand new TV. So there shouldn't be any fingerprints, or there might be some up the side where I was putting this on the wall. But I haven't seen any yet, to be quite honest with you. And use a light to get an angle on where you've just cleaning it, so you can make sure you haven't got any smears. We do have a couple of marks there, so this might have been when it was new. It did have a line running through where some glue had come off. I might not have got those points brilliantly. Two points there. There we go, perfect, gone. Okay, right, the last little bit. You see where I got to, it's quite hard. There we go, out there I think. It might wobble a bit if you've got it on wall mount like I've got, because this wall mount is designed to be pulled out and sort of moved around as and when you need. There we go. You will need to keep rolling the towel to make sure you don't get the wet side, so it keeps reasonably dry. You don't need much force at all, if any, literally just sort of letting it glide across the surface. And I think we are pretty much done. I will quickly get some dust off the top of this TV, because there's bound to be some there, and give it a dry again. I'm just going to check over. I always check the edges as well, because that's where, if the TV's been pulled out. Oh, missed a bit there. A quick wipe for dust, but I think we are there. So there you go, that's all you need. A bit of blue roll. I mean, it doesn't have to be blue roll, it can be kitchen roll. Dry, wet, that's all you need, and it comes out absolutely perfect every single time. Like I said, unless you've already put some chemicals on there, which you will be sort of battling against, because it will always leave a film on the telly, just like anything else would if you were cleaning, like say a laminate floor. Laminate floor cleaners are always going to be leaving, oh, we've got a bit of dust there still, leave their residue on the floor. That's why it's always best to clean those with light soapy water. This isn't soapy water, this is just water straight out of the tap, nothing special. And there we go, perfectly clean sky glass screen, or any other screen. It's exactly the same sort of procedure. Thanks very much. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope this has helped, because not a lot of people are going to know the proper way to clean a flat screen TV. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.